roasted Thai red curry chicken, and we made a soup in the oven all at the same time. Thai red curry paste gets its flavor from red chilies. We're using guajillos that need to be microwaved first. Once they're hydrated, we can make Thai chili paste. Garlic, ginger, or galangal if you can get it, a couple of shallots, the zest of an entire lime, the all-important lemongrass. Peel the outside first. We want the tender lemony core, along with some cilantro stems, the ground seed of cilantro, coriander, and cumin. And in lieu of shrimp paste, dried ground shrimp, which you can find at most Latino markets, surprisingly. A little water, and blend. Every time I pull out the blender, I it up in some way. If you have time to brine your chicken, that's always the best way to go. But if you didn't have time, remember, there's no salt in the curry paste, so you're going to need to season it first. The idea is to stuff that curry paste under the skin so we can get that flavor right into the meat. Don't forget to get into those thighs too. Now that you got under the skin, you got to get over the skin. At this point, you can let it rest for as little as an hour or let it go a total of 24. Here's how we do rotisserie chicken in our house. The inside of an angel food cake pan, inside of another pan with a sling so we can pull it out later. And that exterior pan's going to catch all the juice. Watch what we're going to do. A couple of onions will prop that chicken up, and you're going to have to violate it. I'm sorry, what else do you want to call it? You could just let it go, or you could fold the wings back, like that, and you could throw a string around it too, so it can hold its shape. Look at us getting all fancy. That's going in your oven just like that. Look, Ma, we got a rotisserie. Halfway through, take a little bit more of that paste with a little oil, and we're going to use that to start basting our chicken. Make sure you get it everywhere. Add a little water so we can start building our soup, and back in the oven. I think that looks pretty good, don't you? Carefully lift that chicken out, and we have the beginnings of our soup. A little more red curry paste. We're adding green beans and a few mushrooms. But instead of just coconut milk, coconut cream. That's really going to make it special. The only salt so far is in the brine, so we're adding a little fish sauce to season at the end. The pepper's going last because you don't want to overcook them. And remember, you have that lime you can squeeze in at the end. I'll serve it up with some of that hot soup. And lots of aromatics. Lettuce, scallions, cilantro, and Thai basil is known for its licorice flavor, different than Italian basil. Now you make yourself a little wrap with some lettuce, some of those herbs, maybe a couple cucumbers, and a nice piece of that chicken. A little lime, and I like to dip it right in the soup.
Yeah, that chicken's amazing. Packed full of flavor. I'm so tender.
Come on.
Garlicky ginger chicken and the fresh veggies with the contrast of sweet coconut soup.
I never seen this on a takeout menu, but I would order it.
Give me another piece of chicken.